Steam rises as Chef Whiskers, a distinguished Siamese rat in crisp white uniform, expertly flips a perfectly marbled salmon in his gleaming kitchen. With graceful precision, his paws dance across the cutting board, transforming fresh vegetables into delicate garnishes, while his mouse sous chefs watch in awe. Each slice of fish becomes a masterpiece as Chef Whiskers arranges pristine sushi rolls, his tail swaying in concentration as he adds precise dots of wasabi. The kitchen bursts with excitement as flames leap from the wok, while Chef Whiskers orchestrates a symphony of traditional Japanese flavors with a modern twist. With whiskers twitching in anticipation, he places the final microgreens atop his signature dish, as his tiny assistant team squeaks in approval. Standing proudly on his hind paws, Chef Whiskers presents his culinary masterpiece, a stunning array of sushi and grilled dishes that would make any Michelin inspector purr with delight.